Hi everyone, welcome back to our machine learning sessions. This is your Sakyam Yaganteshwardu. In today's session, I will show you how to implement practically naive Bayes on top of our diabetes project. For theoretical concepts like how the probabilities are calculated, what is naive Bayes, how it is implemented on the data set. For all the theoretical concepts, you can watch our other sessions on theoretical concepts of naive Bayes. In this session, our intention is how to implement naive Bayes on diabetes project. Open your Jupyter notebook. Directly, I will show you how to implement naive Bayes, but all the previous steps like how to read your CSV file, how to prepare train tester split, go and watch our previous sessions. Just fastly, I will walk through the concepts. Like first, you need to read the corresponding package for naive Bayes from sklearn in scikit-learn only. So there is one more package called as naive Bayes. From this import. So there is one package called as Gaussian NB, Gaussian naive Bayes. We are going to use this package to implement our naive Bayes algorithm on top of our diabetes project. Execute it. So G is capital, NB is capital. And this package I am going to use to implement our naive Bayes algorithm on top of our diabetes project. And before that, all the steps are same. First, you need to read your data set by using pandas, read CSV if it is a CSV file, and it will prepare a data frame. On top of our data frame, first you need to separate your input and output. X contains all the input features and Y contains your label, and then divide the train set and test set. After that, we are going to implement our naive Bayes. So I'm making the heading as naive Bayes. Naive Bayes. So first I need to create an object. So all the steps are same. First create an object and then fit your data and then predict and finally calculate the accuracy score. So see here, first I need to fit the create an object for my naive Bayes. As I told, first I'm explaining with all the default parameters. Till now we didn't discuss the parameter tuning. For all those models, first I will explain the default parameters. Create your, maybe you can change the some meaningful name for your model. So NB model. And I will use this for fitting your train values. X train represents your input values for training and Y train represents your values for training, your output values for training. So while training phase, we are going to pass all the inputs and output values. So change the corresponding variable also, NB model.fit to train your data and then predict your test values. X test represents your test values. We are not going to pass outputs during testing because which will give the predictions. These predictions are compared with actual test values to test how much accurately my model is predicting. So first step, create an object, fit your training set, and then pass your test values, which will give you predictions. Those predictions are compared with actual values to see the accuracy of your model. You can see there is a huge improvement between the previous executions. Random forest it will it given 71 and KNN decision tree is given 68 and KNN given some 69. And if you see this naive Bayes gave 74, still we can increase. Still I didn't discuss the parameter tuning in the previous models. We can discuss parameter tuning. We can try to improve the accuracy as much as possible while discussing this diabetes project. So this is how to construct naive Bayes on top of your diabetes project. So remember, all these are explained with the default parameters. And in order to use your naive Bayes, you need to use this package, and all the steps are same. So first you need to import your package and then create an object, fit your model, test your model. So that's all for naive Bayes implementation by using scikit-learn.